Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to distress jeans. So without wasting any time, let's just get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
First thing first, paint where your knees are and start making horizontal cuts. Make sure they are not too wide, as you can see here. I did like 4 cuts to make one box, and I just went ahead and made some more cuts all over the rest of my jeans. And then we are going to start distressing them. So I took my tweezers and I began by pulling on the white threads just to kind of get it started. So you just take your tweezers and kind of poke and find the thread and pull them out, and then you remove the black vertical threads from the jeans. Also make sure your jeans don't have a ton of stretch in them. That's how you're going to get this really nice distressed look. So here my jeans ended up looking like in the end. I threw my jeans in the wash and this was the finished product. That's it for this video. I'll be back super soon with another video for you guys. Bye.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on